Windows 11 Update error code 0x80040155 is commonly caused by corrupted Windows Update components, damaged system files, or problems with the registration of Windows services and COM components required for the update process. This error usually appears when Windows cannot access or initialize a required component while downloading, preparing, or installing an update. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scannow. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. Solution 3. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Solution 2. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the Windows and run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop woo-serve. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/software distribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 catroot2.old. Type netstart woo-serve. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type net start MSI server. Type exit, and then press enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes.